Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Outlook inbox looks like a jungle of unread emails, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create new folders in Outlook in just a few simple steps, so you can organize your inbox like a pro. Stick around till the end because I'll also share a few quick tips to keep your email system neat and efficient. Let's start with why folders are so useful. Creating folders in Outlook helps you keep work emails, personal messages, and newsletters separated. Instead of scrolling endlessly, you'll instantly know where everything is. It's one of the easiest ways to boost productivity and cut down inbox stress. First, open your preferred browser and head over to the Outlook website. Log in using your email and password. You must be signed in to manage or create folders, so make sure you're on your main dashboard where your inbox and other folders appear on the left-hand side. Now, here's the fun part, creating your new folder. On the left-hand panel, you'll see your inbox and other default folders like sent items and drafts. Right-click on the word folders or any parent folder you want your new one under. Then choose create new folder. Type in a clear name, something descriptive like newsletters, Project Alpha, or Invoices 2025. Finally, hit enter. And just like that, your new folder is ready to use. Create multiple folders for different categories of emails. Rename or delete folders when they're no longer relevant. Keep your folder names simple so you can find emails faster. A well-organized folder system saves you tons of time, especially if you deal with hundreds of messages daily. And that's it. Your Outlook inbox is now clean, efficient, and organized. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Got questions or Outlook tricks to share? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.